So, alugu tigillautiisipillassantigillaatsi.
Once human.
Aluanissinnoqanuikkumaassaneqs. Issisuut alariarlugaasi. Ааллартиннақиавоқаа ситеққануиккумаассанерпооқ сиуллермертамс пиллилерпаа. Налуасуулуқсиннаана.
Our lives have followed a long path. But eventually, all roads reach their end.
Still each breath.
Our world is broken, stagnant, fallen into the abyss. But everything is born from darkness, even the universe itself. Now, do you see it? A glimmer within the void. The spark of life still burns, and evolution forges a new way forward. Once your faith overcomes despair, once you move beyond death, once life returns to this world, we'll meet beyond that path.
Eqqumeraqpasittusoorlu. Nuannarpasillunilu. It's not me.
Liquid nitrogen, negative 195.79 Celsius. Physical movement or brain function, not detected. Subject status, stable. Dagger still stuck in the sheath. Inspection 481 complete. Requesting a higher power outlay for the isolation chamber to prevent any further outages. What's that? Security breach. Security breach!
Suliassaqarsimuun. Springe. Annuso. Okay. Sono story mode yung masakatika. 신나서 고다발상 생각서 지내시와. 머리가 뭔 소리야 혹시 나올 또. Passport. Passport. No ses in for. Not sure to chiều. Not sure to chiều và not sure to chiều và not sure to chiều và. Not sure to chiều và. Wow, maniku kan ngerai sing seni.
Well, it's good to see another face. I thought I was on my own. And you're a metahuman, too. I don't know who you are, but I know what you are. You awakened the cradle. And that's something only a metahuman could do. You've lost your memory. Do you remember who you are?
No.
It must have been that fluctuation just now. It trapped me in the cradle. It could have robbed you of your memories. You can call me V. It seems that our interests are aligned, metahuman. This place is called a monolith. Rosetta uses this place to secure deviations and perform experiments on them. I wasn't expecting this many deviants, though. True. I used to be like you once. A metahuman. But it's a long story, and now is not the time. I came to secure a deviation. A paper butterfly. But I think something must have scared it. Right now, though, we need to move. I can show you the way out of this place, but only if you help me complete my mission first. All right? All you have to do is listen to what I tell you. I'll be right here in the cradle. Now, let's go.
Alado! It's not bad though, Alado. Good dog. F-O.
This is a life form that has been infected with stardust. It's called a deviant. Our world has been overrun with deviants ever since Starfall. Ordinary humans can't take high levels of stardust exposure. When they do, they end up just like that thing. But you're a metahuman. You should be fine. In fact, if the conditions are right, you might even be able to use stardust to your advantage.
In kammak taktong. B. Attack mode, speed, crouch, key mirror. something. 똑같은 교학서다 아마 우리 스필리 바지쇼 각다가 약간쇼. No passports. Narungra ingslapisa ingslasusangarok nung sequence ako nang muna misuka tunga. Be quiet, bitch. Super Hugh, Noxus. No passports, okay. Good for me. Hello. What's up, dude? Ah, Chick Man.
DVT-011? My name is Victor Hammett. What's your name?
I don't know. All I know is that I'm a monster. My mother, my father, and everyone else. They're gone. And it was all my fault.
Hey. Try and stay calm. I'm here. And I will do everything to help.
It's no use. No one can help me. It would be better for everyone if I just leave me alone. Please, don't waste your time on me.
I'm afraid I can't do that. And you're not a monster. In fact, you're very, very special. You just need to learn how to control your power. Once you do that, you can help fix this broken world. We can do that together.
Narusakingan nakakusuktaktok sa kuching nilakam.
My butterfly, it's flying.
Yes, your first deviation. And look how gentle it is.
I remember my name now. It's Mitsuko. It means child of light. It's my first creation. I will create more.
Just a moment. Fuck.
We need something powerful to challenge the evolutionists. And I think I finally found it. You. Hey, we can secure other deviations. We can use them to forge a new path and bring about true evolution. This will be the Mayflies' mission. This is why we'll fight.
Mayflies?
That's right. Mayflies. Small, yet invincible. Humanity may seem puny now, but we'll prove we can endure.
Optimisiragasta. Optimisiragasta. Sesame. Kaya wow, pagsaw na. Nice chest. minuta nữa takbo. 아마 지가 톡신 나오. 에안다! 왔다!
The deviation. We've found it. Reach out your left hand and see if you can feel the rhythm of it. Then try and secure it.
Deviation. F. Okay. Hey, bye. Sumitungo. How's the... Hi.
V, you made it back. You're still alive.
Yes, and look what I found. A meta. Only just woken up. They were kind enough to activate the cradle and set me free.
Thank you, metahuman. Your help means a lot to me. You can call me Mitsuko. I used to be a metahuman as well. Rosetta did all kinds of experiments on me. That is, until V saved me.
Mitsuko is a very special meta. She can sense even the tiniest fluctuations in the stardust. It's thanks to her that I was able to take refuge in this place after Starfall. You're safe here.
Apa sekarang dah?
That's what Rosetta does. At first, they just locked deviations away. But then they figured out that deviations could be harnessed to make humans stronger. That's when they commenced their experiments, in the name of human progress. As a result, they created metahumans, like me and you, to Rosetta. We are the future. It is our potential to harness stardust that they value above everything else. It's all they care about.
And they're not wrong. Metahumans are mankind's last hope. We were created by Rosetta, but we don't take orders from them anymore. We left. We call ourselves the Mayflies now, and we do things differently.
About 20 years ago, Rosetta triggered a major stardust fluctuation during one of their experiments. As a result, some great ones slipped through, entering into our world. They brought increased levels of stardust with them. That poison has seeped into every corner of our world now, spawning countless deviants and other dangers. Yes, the butterfly is an emissary of sorts. I wanted it to help rescue other metas. The recent fluctuation must have startled it. The important thing right now is to secure it and ensure its safety. See that thing in the center of the room? It's a device for securing deviations. This makes them more useful and safer to be around.
Two. Three.
The butterfly is recovered. I think it likes you.
So what?
Deviations can be very dangerous if not taken care of. They can radiate stardust, which can lead to all kinds of unpredictable consequences. This is why we created the Mayflies. We make cradles and securement units to keep deviations contained. We're finding ways for humans and deviations to live in harmony. This is our best chance of cleaning up Rosetta's mess.
It's a name that embodies who we are. We resist Rosetta's evolution. Mayflies as a species can survive almost anything, even Starfall and Rosetta. No one's exactly sure what they are, just that they're not bound by the physical laws of our world. They came from another dimension, something we call rift space. When deviations get stressed, they release stardust. We think this brings our world and rift space closer together. Sometimes it becomes possible to pass between the two planes of existence, and when that happens, all hell breaks loose. We believe that's what caused Starfall.
Some deviations are friendly, like the butterfly. But others, like the ones inside monoliths, are extremely dangerous. It's not practical to secure all of them, but if we can learn more about them, maybe we can find ways to live alongside them. That's the goal. You must be prepared. The stardust just keeps spreading, and we aren't sure why. Be careful! That must be a siren.
Shit, it must have gotten through. Come on, Meta. A deviation from another world just entered this space, and it won't go down without a fight. Take the butterfly with you. It can help.
Okay. Aqui. Unlock. Okay. Call. Okay. Division. Cover. What was that? Smell picture. Đà vả khá đông mấy ngộ. Người trò với Maria nữa. Ai okay. I'm stupid. Bitch. Cuckoo, what do you do? Hammer time. Shush. Boom. So rocking, 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 rocking. Bang. Okay, now what? What do you do? What do you do? All the jazz, survivor, sleep. Okay, now what? I need to rock. Why not? Sorry. Aakan na dan, iwangan. No. Akan dakon! It fire. Alexis. Where were you? One more time, bopping here. So. 이러susat kuissupiiraaqe pisariaqa torujussas sortudama ikatsingisumisuliaqartunga napissutiginnarpara taamaameqsatigissusuliarniauk taava pisariaqartussaassanginnami sila taarsilinginnaran taamaliortariaqassu nererusussanngalaaq imerusussangalaaq takku pingaarnerpaajungami Teno nalaksuuti pisariaqarpianginnam qanoqlunni ikangitingiruo isaarinnaua pisariaqartittaarpakka unammersuassangaluaruit ikanginerariarlungillununguttillutilloqanu illiqanorliussuit supiarerpu Unagkasis toringin nang mitakuttangan.
This siren, so strong. Summon the butterfly. It will fight alongside you.
What the fuck?
Now you'll see for yourself what it's capable of.
Open ako! It's a bitch! Hey, sorry. Hi. Kumusta? Ako na-amazing ako yung show, Sedidak, nakadak. Victory! Ayong nasangat sa kutok. Ayong nanggilaan. Thank you!
Damn. It escaped.
That was a difficult fight. Just driving it away was enough. And it's all thanks to you, Meta, for saving us.
You're tougher than you look. That's twice now you saved me. It's like I said. We think deviations are sometimes capable of passing between the physical world and Rift Space. Could be wreaking havoc in the physical world right now, even as we speak. Yes. Mitsuko created this Rift Space, a refuge from the dangers of the physical world. Or so we thought.
Do you think that deviation will come back? What if it returns with greater disruptions?
It's possible. We can't just sit here and wait, though. Meta, will you go back to the physical world with me? Mitsuko is too important. The Great Ones would descend on her the second she set foot in the physical world. We encountered some trouble earlier, and that's why Mitsuko is hiding here. Not good, to be honest. Since Starfall, it's been 20 years of chaos. But you've got a cradle, and I'll be there to help guide you. Together we'll be fine.
Take the butterfly with you. Put it in your cradle. That way, I can lend you some of my strength. Hopefully we'll meet again one day. When the Stardust is stable enough. It looks like this is goodbye. Good luck, Meta. Before you go, if you have any questions, I can try and answer them for you.
Butterfly. Actually, we did a second look to me. Madugari teleporter.
Look at that. 20 years after Starfall. And the world is still infested with Stardust. It looks like the monoliths here have been reactivated too. They might hold the key to all the Stardust pollution.
Nervoso po. Ruosi na so.
Now that we've made it, let's set up a territory.
Pero sa yung anong inadamani. Minong itamay na sa sanyo yaklak na kaya kasi. Tawa tutok ay nga. Nakakapana. Sorry. Nakakakulop. Nakusungla, nakakulop kasi yun. Butterfly.
Nice work. I've managed to unlock some memetics from Mitsuko. If you access them through your cradle, you'll be able to craft and build what we need.
Saksakanım ya yavrum. Tawa ko na piyak siya. I don't care, Loki good, Loki back. Тамаарыг наанертаарах ажит qunassinnaartam pisinnaarlarsmas nammas bye. Bye bye.